Did you know that age is not the only factor affecting fertility? While it's true that fertility after 40 presents its unique challenges, it's not all about the numbers. There's a world of natural strategies that can help improve your fertility outcomes. In the next few minutes, we'll explore 7 ways to boost your fertility naturally. So, stay tuned to find out how to navigate this journey with knowledge and grace. Firstly, proper nutrition is crucial for fertility. A diet rich in antioxidants and low in processed foods can enhance your fertility. Antioxidants combat harmful free radicals, protecting egg health, while reducing processed foods decreases toxins. So remember, a healthy diet can work wonders for your fertility. Secondly, consider regular detoxification. This process helps rid the body of toxins that could potentially interfere with reproductive health. By embracing a detoxifying lifestyle, you're essentially paving the way for a healthier, more fertile you. Detoxification can be a simple yet effective way to improve your fertility. Thirdly, certain supplements can be beneficial. They're like secret weapons, helping to provide the essential nutrients that your body might be missing. Think of them as little helpers, boosting your fertility from the inside out. Supplements can be a great addition to your fertility-enhancing regimen. Fourthly, managing stress is vital. Stress can disrupt hormonal balance, making conception more challenging. Techniques like mindfulness, yoga, and other relaxation exercises can help keep stress at bay. Remember, a tranquil mind fosters a healthier body. Keeping stress levels in check can significantly improve your fertility. Fifthly, getting enough sleep is key. Sleep isn't just for rest. It plays a vital role in maintaining hormonal balance, which directly impacts fertility. When we sleep, our bodies repair, regenerate, and rebalance, all crucial for optimal fertility. Remember, a good night's sleep is a fertility friend. Sixthly, understanding your menstrual cycle can be empowering. It's like a window into the workings of your body, giving you a heads up on your fertile days. Appreciating the rhythm of your cycle can help you time conception attempts just right. Knowledge about your cycle can certainly boost your chances of conception. Lastly, remember, age is just a number. We've explored 7 ways to boost fertility after 40, from healthy eating to understanding your menstrual cycle. Despite the challenges that age may bring, these strategies offer hope for improved fertility outcomes. We hope you found this video helpful. Please leave your thoughts in the comment section. Looking forward to hearing from you.